Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and when it comes to any of my sound recording projects, I am super picky. That's why I am so glad to have this ONOR microphone isolation shield. In my home, I just do not have the space for a big professional sound booth as much as I would like one, but this shield provides the perfect solution. I normally need my husband's help to put together anything. My brain is just not really wired that way, but I am proud to say that I assembled this all by myself. That's how simple it is to put together. I think that it's really thoughtful in its design, and I really appreciate that it's adaptable, so I can use it in a variety of different scenarios. It's lightweight, which makes it simple for me to move from room to room, so I can do my recording anywhere I feel like it. The inside of the shield has sound dampening foam, and it also comes with a pop filter, so the sound quality that I get is much better. It also works great to reduce any unwanted background noise that could be picked up by my very sensitive microphone. I love that it can be adjusted for standing or sitting while I'm recording, so depending on my mood, I can always switch it up. This microphone isolation shield has really helped me to maintain a high standard of sound quality for any of my recording work. But that's just my point of view.